Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Rekha here from Suhani Creation. So as you know, I am continuing my series of blush calligraphy. So if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. And I have also uploaded my series of 3D calligraphy. So if you have not seen, please watch, and I will upload the link in the description box. So please guys, please watch. And today I am going to tell you how to construct your own letter in a smaller form. Okay, so now let's get started. Now again I am having my sketchbook and my Camlin brush pen. Okay, so we are going to start from A. Okay, so let me choose my colors. This color I am choosing. Okay, this one is teal green. Okay, so what you have to do, I hope everything is clear. For the small letter, what you have to do, you have to start from the mid point. Okay, but for the you have to make the strokes as well. But for the strokes, what you have to do, you have to start from a light, very light pressure, because you are making just a stroke. Okay, you are not going to write anything. So now your stroke is done. Okay, my hand is shivering, it's okay. And now you have to make A. Your A. Okay, so A is done. And yes, one more A I want to tell you. You will start from here, and with your brush, now you will thick your brush, and then it is also A. Okay, so again, but I like this one. Okay, again you have to start with the light pen. Okay, and then and then okay, so now I'm going to create a B. For the B, what you have to do, you have to start with light pen, and then okay, this should be thick little bit. And again we have to give little bit pressure. Okay, so now our B is ready. Okay, one more B I am going to tell you. From here you have to start a stroke from the light pressure. Calligraphy is just about pressure. Brush calligraphy is just about pressure. You have to take about the okay, yes, so your B is done. You have to make sure about in which type of strokes you are going to make. Only you have to take care about your strokes, how it is going on. Okay, for B, and one more stroke, you will start from the light, and then again, and now we will thick our pressure, and then okay, now it's time for C. Okay, for C I'm going to create from the starting. You will is it okay? Okay, C, and one more. You will start from here and then one more. Your C is done. Okay, now D. From here you will start from the light brush and then you have to, yes, so your D is ready. Now again our D is done. Okay, so now E. For the E you will start from here and then okay, so your E is also done. Now F. You have to start from here, from the light beginning. You have to do think. Okay, and like this you can make your own characters. Okay, and now if you want to create G you have to, okay, and after that from your heavy pressure you will do this. So like this you can make all the characters. I hope people use